Hey yo, it's good, YouTube. It's your boy, Just Mark. I'm back. It's like, nah, I never left. I just took a little break, you feel me? Just from posting, going public with everything that I've been doing. Trying to get together an actual game plan, and we're gonna execute, and we're gonna get this popping. Cause the YouTube is cool and everything, but like from my experience with the YouTube and also my Instagram of me sharing my profits and all that stuff, people reach out to me and they kind of, I don't want to say they don't want to learn, but the route I'm thinking about going now is just doing a signals group. So that's what this live is going to be about today. Signals group has started, but it's not ready to take off publicly yet. I say by my birthday, September 24th, we can launch it by then. The page needs a lot of work. I'm still doing a lot of research on how to make this channel, you know, make it unique, make it easy to follow, and just how to make the channel in general. Making a Discord server is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, but it's not hard. It's not impossible, but it's a little. I need some help. So sorry if I sound a little stuffy as well, a little sick. Your boy, your boy probably got COVID, but we here, we alive, so that's all that matters. So before COVID, not before COVID. I don't even know what I was gonna say. Sorry, y'all. As you can see, I'm a little all over the place, but I definitely felt like I needed to post something on the channel. It's probably been like a month. So I guess we can get right into it. So like I said, we were working on a little signals group, Mars Minions. See that? See that right there? Mars Minions. My little signals group. So I mean, as you can see, we don't really got much going on right now. We got a couple members, close friends and family. I'm gonna be adding some more people. These are gonna be, I guess you can say, my guinea pigs, my test subjects. We're gonna get them started on the demo account. We're gonna get them started on a demo account, and we're just gonna take questions and kind of see what needs to be actually put on this channel. Most of the people that I have in here right now have no experience whatsoever trading, so uh, their questions are kind of are going to kind of guide me as to what needs to be posted in what order and for people to get started like with no experience in trading. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. I got a couple people in. Like I said, I'm gonna add a couple more, and they've been giving me feedback, and I kind of been adding channels as they've been giving me feedback. So like to start here in the general or two that I'm gonna work on today. Um, like I want you to be able to join the channel, get everything set up, and then be able to start trading same day. You feel me? And that's possible because it doesn't take long to set everything up on your side. So I just want to get the directions and the steps in a clear, transparent order for that's easy to follow for everyone to understand. So that's kind of where I'm at with the channel right now. I am sending signals already though. So we do have our member signals, where our members can kind of throw their own signals in there and you know, y'all can all converse. I'm only doing one signal a week right now, so I mean, for some people that's not enough. Some people are seeing other moves that I'm not seeing. Obviously, if I'm only sending one signal, there are plenty of moves out there besides my signal. So this will be where y'all can kind of converse and share. We can kind of bounce off of each other, bounce ideas off of each other. And we have these setups and ideas. So this was my first setup and idea. This is not the first signal, but this was the first setup and ideas that I posted for my second signal. So we'll just go over that real quick because we're actually in a trade right now for a signal that I sent last week. It's a 293 pip move, 292 or 293 pip move. That's a lot of pips, which means you're gonna make a lot of money. So far, we're about halfway through. I say we're about to get 130, 140 pips in. So we just about hit the halfway point on that. So we're doing really good, and I'll show you guys later that so far it's been pretty much a risk-free trade. Like we weren't in the red for long at all, and once we actually got out of the red and we seen some good profits, we kind of just been holding, and it's just been looking better and better every day. So uh So this was last week on the 9th. It was a possible sell, which now is a sell, on the uh, Great Pound Japanese Yen pair. Um, the confirmations were a double top forming on the higher time frame. So this is our daily. I had to screenshot this off my phone because I was at work when I was doing this. So right here, you see that double top. This is the daily. So it comes up, bounces back down, and then comes up again. I have my trend line that I drew showing that it is in a downtrend. So the first confirmation is that double top. Okay. Second, price is currently in a downtrend. I already showed you that with my trend lines. Bearish engulfing candle forming on the daily at a point of resistance. So that means, oh, you're not going to be able to see that. That's not clear enough. So basically what that meant is we go to the daily. This was sent out on the 9th. So this candle right here is for the 9th. This is a bearish engulfing candle, which means this body of this candle engulfs pretty much this whole candle. Definitely engulfs the body of the candle here, but this was the bearish engulfing forming on the 9th, which started to indicate to me that it was going to start going down. So that's what I meant when I said that. And of course, the red over blue moving averages indicating a sell. So that basically means that go back. In this case, it was just a red moving average because I have the simple one where it just goes from green to red. I don't actually have the crossing. I do for some, but not for our less volatile pairs, I guess you could say, because this moves pretty smooth for the most part. So there's no need for the three moving averages that cross. There's no need for all that. So, the signal that I actually sent out was not a market execution signal. So what that means is it was a planned trade, and price did was not at the point where I wanted to enter it yet. So I kind of planned ahead. So here's our signal right here. So let me move my big head out the way. Excuse me. So this is the first signal. This one was also good. I didn't calculate the pips. I need to add that. I just thought about that today. I want to keep track of how many pips the group caught in total from from beginning to which is a weekly update of how many pips we caught each week to kind of show that consistency and that growth. And yeah, it's just good to see your progress. So we're going to keep track of that in a different channel. I'll add that later for our total pip count. But our Bitcoin trade was a success. This was a smaller trade. I even gave y'all a lot size for this one. Well, I gave my friends and family a lot size for this one of 1 cent. Uh, for this one, I didn't. I'm also going to put in how to calculate your risk. Everything you need will be in the chat, so don't worry about any of that. This is the beta. You feel me? We try and get things in motion and try to fill it out right now. So I sent this out on the 9th for the British Great Pound Japanese Yen signal. It's a sell stop. So basically, what a sell stop is, we'll go back to our chart real quick. Is price when I sent this out on the 9th was above. This is where we entered in that. Okay. So on the 9th, somewhere on the 9th, I was like, yo, if price breaks below this point right here, it's gonna be a sell. But I knew it wasn't gonna happen quite yet because I'm usually pretty early when it comes to seeing things. Like I'll be predicting the future, but like too far ahead in the future. Like I know what's gonna happen with price, but usually I enter in too early. It'll move up some more before coming down, or vice versa, depending on if I'm buying or selling. So I decided to play it smart this time, and I did a sell stop. So we're right here. I put in a sell stop at 152. What was it? 520? Yeah, 152, 520. So that means that when price hits that point, which it finally did right here, the trade will activate. It'll put you in the trade. So I put in 4 sell stops at 152, 520. Stop loss all the way up at 153, what, like 450? 153, 500, and our take profit is 149, 620. So I sent that signal on the 9th. It took 3 days, the 12th, for it to actually trigger. So that's when price finally came down, hit that in a trigger. So then we were into the trade at this point right here. As you can see, we had a little risk here, a little risk here, a little risk there, but for the most part, it was a pretty risk-free trade. So I mean, we're looking good right now. Um, Me personally, for my trades, we did 4 $1 lot sizes, and each of them is over $1,000 in profit right now. So we're looking at a grand total of about 4,500, and it's only about halfway through. So we're looking to make around, I'd say, about 8 or 9,000 when and if we hit our take profit all the way down at the bottom. So it's just a waiting game right now. We're just gonna see what happens. But so far the signals have been on point. I mean, it's only been two, but we're only gonna do one a week. We do have one coming up this week. I'm in the search for that right now. After I end this live, I'll probably go live again tonight or tomorrow to kind of find that move, that signal for this week. So, um, I guess that's pretty much it. I mean, I just been working, trying to figure out the most efficient way to teach y'all. Like, I feel like this will be the most efficient way because I'm not just sending y'all a signal. Like, I know that's what most of y'all want. Y'all just wanted to be told what to do so you can do it because that's kind of how we've grown up to learn most of this stuff. We sit in the class and a teacher kind of just preaches to us what to do and we do it. But with this setups and idea page, you'll be able to kind of see what I see, um, and you'll be able to kind of go over my confirmations to kind of figure out why I want to enter in a trade, and then you can kind of use that to branch off and make your own trades on top of using my signals as well. Because I mean, nothing wrong with using the signals, but I mean, if you can be independent and you can kind of check behind my signals as well, because my signals aren't always going to be right. You might be able to catch and avoid some of my losing signals that I will definitely have in the future. So that's kind of why I put the setups and ideas there so you guys can kind of see what I see as I do it. But yeah, like I said, Signal One, Bitcoin, that was a scalp right there. That took like probably like 3 hours in and out like that. This one we've been in since the 12th, so last trading week carried over to this week. And we're kind of just waiting. We're getting a pullback now in the upward direction because we just had a big move down. It's expected, but I do see price getting all the way down to my take profit, and I see us making another good trade this week. I'm seeing a lot of good setups. Like I said, we'll save that for the next live. I'm not really trying to get into all that. I don't really feel too good, but I did feel like I needed to kind of give you guys an update on what's been going on. I kind of just disappeared. That's what I do. That's what I'm known for. I just kind of just disappear and do me. So, yeah, um, be like that sometimes, you know. Sometimes I'll be losing focus. Just gotta isolate myself and get it together. Get it together. Get back on track. So I got my broker on here. Best times to trade. Signals, setups, and ideas. And like I said, this channel, you see this channel today, it's gonna look a lot different the next time you see it. And it's just gonna keep growing, keep progressing, and we're gonna keep adding stuff to it. I have a phone call later today with another experienced trader, who's going to most likely be another admin or co-owner, I guess you can say, of this page. You're gonna kind of help me out as far as trying to find signals and helping me build this channel up, because I, I can do it alone, but a second set of eyes is always better. You feel me? I want this to be kind of like a team thing. I don't want all the work and everything to fall just on me. I want it to be mostly on me because I mean this is my idea and all that, but I could use the help as well. So I know y'all. Hope y'all been practicing trading. Sorry if y'all been looking for more educational videos. For now, I think I'm done with those. We're just gonna focus mainly on the signals. Maybe a video or two there, but it's time to just make it happen, yeah. So that's the plan. That's the outlook for the rest of this year. September 24th is definitely, like I said, my birthday is when I feel like we should officially launch this. It'll give me a couple more weeks to see how my signals look. There will be a monthly fee for this signals group. All signals will be good to use on a live account right now. Like I said, everyone in this group and everyone that I'll be adding in a little bit will be on a demo because I don't want them to lose money off it. I mean, even though I'm doing pretty good so far, just to be safe, I want to see some consistency first before I start putting y'all's money on the line. But yeah, here's that trade. I mean, the stop loss. I put the stop loss high because I don't trade the British pound, Japanese yen that often. So I know the volatility isn't crazy, but I just to be safe, I did have a big stop loss. Very big stop loss. We easily could have, like, I don't even know. Easily could have been like right here with it. Imagine that. Making 11 times what you risk, that would be crazy. But I'm trying to play it safe and I'm trying to make sure that, y'all make money. That's the goal. I don't want y'all to get stopped out with these extra type stop losses. So better just to play it safe, I guess. But yeah, like I said, that's what I've been doing. I just been trying to brainstorm, trying to get this Discord started. Uh, it should be ready to go by the 24th. So I think that's gonna be it. I think I'm gonna go take a walk or something, get some fresh air. A little stuffy. It's 24 minutes. All right, that should be good enough. So yeah, be on the lookout for that Discord. I'm gonna drop my socials. Just follow the gram, the Instagram, and you follow the gram, you'll see I post everything on there, signals, plays, all that stuff. Y'all can DM me about the group. I'm pretty sure I put the link for the group in there. Um, the link for the group in there. Got to figure out like a form of payment and all that stuff. Oh, there's a lot to figure out with this group, but yeah, just for now, follow me on the gram underscore dismar 2 R's with an underscore, and this will be you making this money with me. Like I said, right now, this is the date and price. Right now, we are 106. No, that's not it. At one point, we were 160 pips in profit, but now we're only 120. Like I said, it's just a pullback. Never go straight down. It's gonna be a pullback, some type of retest, and then I feel like it's gonna drop some more for that grand total of 290 pips. That would be nice. It'd be a nice start for a second week. And then we got a signal coming this week. So we're already in profits on this trade. We got another signal coming this week. It's looking pretty good for the group so far. I'm actually very excited to kind of get this ball rolling because it's going to be fun to see like all of us come up, everyone in the group, family, friends, especially close friends. I want my peoples to come up with me. I don't want to just be rich alone. It's not fun. I gotta make new rich snobby friends, a bunch of weirdos that I don't know. I'd rather come up with the people who've been there since day one. I'm definitely already putting them on. As you see, I got a couple heads in the group. They've been slacking a little bit, but we gonna get them on track. It'd be like that. I've been slacking too, so. But yeah, I'm gonna head out, y'all. Just wanted to give you a little update. Signals group is in the works. Signals have already been being sent, and as you can see, Signals Signals is making us some money. You got 4,300 on there right now, but it's not really about the money. It's about the amount of pips that you catch because everyone's profits is going to look different depending on their account size. They're going to risk a different amount, and what you risk will determine how much your reward is going to be. We always worry about risk first. We always worry about how much money we're going to lose, and I'll make sure to emphasize that in the Discord. Yeah, it's not all about your profits. You want to worry about the risk because the risk determines your reward at the end of the day. Your reward does not determine the risk. That's backwards. That's why it's risk to reward ratio and not reward to risk ratio when you see it on here. Because this was a 3.1, so you're making 3 times whatever you risk. So if you risk $100, you're going to make $300. 300 and some change because it's a 3.12. But I think the Bitcoin was like a 4.0 ratio or 2. Either 2 or 4 is one of those. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go. Appreciate y'all checking out this video. If y'all did check it out, don't forget to follow me on the socials, follow me on the gram. I keep y'all updated on there. Past plays, future plays, Discord. September 24th is the goal. I'm gonna make it happen. Got a phone call tonight. I got an IT guy that I'm gonna talk to. He makes servers, Discord channels, and all that stuff. So he should be able to help me out, make my channel pop, make it unique, make it easy to follow. So yeah, that's